This is a complete beginner guide to start making affiliate commission in 2026. So if you are a complete beginner and want to start making those affiliate commissions you see people online, this video is perfect for you. We are going to use free traffic, and I'm going to show you a secret method that only few people are doing to make affiliate commissions, but no one on YouTube is sharing this method. So make sure you watch this video completely and start taking notes immediately. Now before we begin, if you want access to a full free ClickBank course with all the modules, step-by-step blueprint that I use to make ClickBank sales go to insider10x.com/course, or click the second link in the description below to get started. So like this video, and let's start with step 1, which is to head over to the ClickBank marketplace. This is where you can see all the trending products that are currently selling at high volume. For this example, we're going to promote a product called Midolin, and as you can see on the screen, it offers a $180 affiliate commission per sale. Now the big question is, how do you get people to click your affiliate link and actually buy the product? That's exactly what I'm going to show you right now. We're going to use an AI tool that creates SEO-optimized Midolin product review blog articles, complete with images, videos, and tables, just like the ones you see on the screen. And the best part? You can create hundreds of blogs like this with a single click. Let me show you how. Just click the third link in the description and you'll land on this page. Once you're here, you'll see two options: one-click blog post and bulk article generation. For now, we'll start with one-click blog post, and this is what you'll see. This is where you enter a single keyword and the tool automatically creates the title. Now this is where the real secret method comes in. I'm going to show you a secret method that only a few people are using to make affiliate commissions, and almost no one is talking about this online. Here's the problem most beginners are making. When they promote a product like Midolin, they target the obvious keyword, the product name itself. So they write blog posts around keywords like Midolin review or Midolin benefits. But the issue is, thousands of blogs are already doing this. That's why the competition is extremely high. And that's exactly why beginners struggle to get traffic, rankings, and sales. Now let me show you the smarter approach. If you watch the product's video sales letter, you'll notice it uses a very specific hook called Purple Peel Exploit. Now watch this. If I search this keyword using the free Semrush keyword research tool, you'll see it gets around 5,400 monthly searches on Google. And here's the important part. These searches are coming from people who already know about the product and are actively looking to buy it. Why? Because Purple Peel Exploit is repeatedly mentioned inside the VSL as the main marketing angle. So when people watch the video, that phrase sticks in their mind. Later, when they're ready to buy, they go to Google and search for Purple Peel Exploit. That's why instead of targeting the product name Midolin, we're going to target this keyword instead, because everyone is fighting over the Midolin keyword. But only a few smart affiliates are targeting Purple Peel Exploit. Now let me show you exactly how to create a blog around this keyword using AI. The title and the entire blog post based on that keyword. So I'm going to copy this keyword and paste it right here. Next, click Generate Title, and the tool will automatically create a title based on that keyword. Now scroll down. For language, leave it as English, US. For article type, select Product Review. For article length, I'm going to choose medium. For the tone of voice, select informational. For the AI model, I'm using GPT 5.2, and I'll leave everything else as default. Now scroll down to the media section. Here, for the number of images, I'm going to select 4, and for image style, choose photo. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. This is where you can connect your WordPress website, if you have one. Once connected, the tool will automatically publish your article to WordPress, so you don't have to manually copy and paste any content. And if you don't have a WordPress website, no problem at all. I'm going to show you another platform that can help your articles rank faster on Google. Alright, now scroll all the way back to the top. Once you're here, click Generate, and the tool will start creating the article. This usually takes a few minutes to complete. Alright, so the article is now ready. Let's open it up and take a look at how it actually looks. And boom, as you can see, the article is fully generated. It comes with a clean title, a detailed product review, and it's already structured properly for SEO. You'll notice it includes headings, subheadings, images, and tables, which makes it easy to read and keeps visitors on the page longer. It also explains the product in a clear, informational way, which helps build trust before sending people to your affiliate link. And the best part is, you didn't write a single word of this yourself. This entire article was created automatically based on the keyword we selected. Now, if you want to create articles in bulk, meaning 50, 100, or even 200 blog posts in just a few minutes, you can do that using the bulk article generation feature. All you have to do is paste your list of keywords into this tool. From there, just follow the same simple steps I showed you earlier when creating a one-click blog post. And this tool will automatically create multiple SEO-optimized articles at once, each with its own titles, images, and structured content ready to be published or ranked on Google. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Creating content is easy. Getting it to rank fast is where most people fail. There's a simple method almost no one is using. I'll show you in a moment. But before I continue, there's one important thing most people still miss about SEO today. SEO isn't just about Google anymore. People are now searching on ChatGPT, Gemini, and other AI tools. And if your blog or affiliate content doesn't show up there, you're missing a huge chunk of free traffic. Most bloggers don't realize this. They keep writing articles, waiting for Google traffic while AI tools are already answering those same questions without ever showing their website. That's exactly why tools like Semrush One exist, which is the sponsor of today's video. Semrush One doesn't just show you where your content ranks on Google, it shows you where your content appears across Google and AI search, and more importantly, where you're completely missing opportunities. Let me quickly show you how this works inside Semrush One, so you can see why this matters so much for free traffic and affiliate blogs. Once you log in, this is the main dashboard. At the top, you'll still see all the traditional SEO tools, keyword research, site audits, backlinks, but the big difference here is AI visibility. Instead of only tracking Google rankings, Semrush One shows you how visible your website is on AI platforms like ChatGPT and Google AI Overviews. Right here, I can enter any domain. Let's say this is my website. As soon as I do that, you'll see metrics like AI visibility, cited pages, and on the right side, things like authority score, organic keywords, and estimated traffic. Below that, you'll also see engagement data like monthly visits, average visit duration, and bounce rate. This gives you a high-level overview of everything. Now, if I want to go deeper, I can come over to AI search and click on AI visibility. This section shows you exactly how your site is performing across different AI platforms and regions, and which AI tools are actually using your content as sources. On the right side, Semrush One also highlights hot topics I can target to boost my AI visibility, explore competitor strategies, and optimize my domain specifically for AI search. When you scroll down, you'll see the topics your website is already performing for, and this is where it gets really powerful. From here, I can check top prompts. These are the exact questions people are asking AI tools right now. This is pure gold for blogging. Instead of guessing what to write about, I can see what people are asking, what AI is answering, and which websites are being referenced. If I find a prompt where my site isn't mentioned, I can click into it, see who is getting cited, and then create content that answers that question better. That's what makes Semrush One different. It's no longer just about ranking for keywords, it's about making sure your content is actually used as answers by AI. And if you rely on free traffic for affiliate commissions, that's a massive advantage. So make sure to try Semrush One. The link is in the description below. Now let me show you the exact method I used to get new articles picked up and ranked faster even as a beginner. The platform we're going to use is Reddit. Here's why this works. Reddit posts get noticed by Google very quickly, and Reddit already has a lot of trust online. So, when you share your content the right way, it helps Google find your article faster and start showing it to people. Let me show you how to do this the right way. First, create your own Reddit community related to your niche or the product you're reviewing. Once that's done, click on Create Post. Now go back to the article you created earlier, copy the article content, come back to Reddit, and paste it directly into your post. Make sure the post is helpful and informative, not salesy. You're sharing value first, not trying to sell. Next, go to ClickBank and generate your affiliate link for the product. Come back to your Reddit post and naturally place your affiliate link inside the content. For example, once near the beginning, once in the middle, and once near the end. Keep it natural, don't overdo it. Now this part is very important. Before posting any review with affiliate links, you should first publish 2 to 3 helpful posts inside your Reddit community. These can be tips, explanations, or general helpful content. This builds trust and prevents Reddit from treating your post as spam. You'll also hear people talk about Reddit karma. Karma is basically Reddit's trust score. When people upvote your posts or comments, your trust score goes up. The more trust you have, the more visibility your posts get, and the less likely they are to be removed. That's why helping first always works. Now, there's a smarter way to make this work even better. Instead of relying only on platforms, create your own website. You can use WordPress or even Blogger. It's free and beginner-friendly. Once your site is live, publish the same product review articles there. Here's where Reddit becomes powerful. Instead of pasting full articles, break them into small, helpful pieces tips, short explanations, or answers to questions people are already asking. Post these as Reddit posts or comments in relevant discussions, then naturally link back to your blog for the full review. This does two things. You get free traffic from Reddit, and your site earns trusted links that help Google rank you higher. Because you're actually helping people, you also avoid getting banned on Reddit. So the system is simple. Create helpful SEO articles, publish them on your website, share value on Reddit, link back naturally, get free traffic, and build trust. Now, let me be honest. Free traffic takes time. It requires patience and consistency. You won't see results overnight, but once it starts working, it compounds. So stay consistent, focus on helping first, and keep going. Now, if you want access to a full free ClickBank course, with all the modules, step-by-step blueprint that I use to make ClickBank sales, go to insider10x.com/course or click the second link in the description below to get started.